I'm in my browser here at github.com. I'm logged in, so I've authenticated my identity, and I'm authorized to see all my GitHub things. Let's see what this looks like in Postman. In Postman, I'll open a new request and make a call. On the bottom, I see the HTML web page. Let's go to the Preview tab. This is the github.com website, but you can see that I'm not signed in, so I can't see all my GitHub things. I could go to the Global Cookies Manager and manually load in a cookie, but let's see how to sync our cookies with the browser. Since I'm already logged in on my Chrome browser, I can go capture requests and cookies with Postman. Let's tab over to Cookies. I already have an interceptor connected, you can see by the green light. Let's toggle Capture Cookies on and add a specific domain that we want to sync our cookies with. So here's github.com. I'll go ahead and add this specific domain to sync my cookies between Chrome browser and Postman app. Now I'm going to hit send. And you can see that Chrome browser is sharing my cookies on github.com with Postman, and therefore I can see all my GitHub things. And that's how you work with cookie-based auth.